Okay, hey guys. 2 days ago, I got my first iPod, and the first thing I tried to do was jailbreak it and learn some things for it. And soon I realized that there are a lot of information and programs, applications you need to know that are not gathered in one site, one video. That's why I'm making this video to show you what I did in order to jailbreak it, browse my files, my iPod files on my computer, and how to install applications inside the iPod. Okay, first thing, how to jailbreak your iPod. That's actually easy. I found many ways to jailbreak it, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way for that. Okay, let's say this is your iPod. You just need a Wi-Fi connection in your iPod, and when you have that, you just gonna click on your Safari, and wait a sec, you're gonna click here and write down jailbreakme.com. I already have it, so I'm just gonna click it here. Okay, once it loads, you see here it says slide to jailbreak. Just slide and the jailbreak will automatically start. Okay, I'm not gonna slide since I have already jailbreaked it. Okay, when it's jailbreak, it will also install an application inside your iPod called Cyndia. It's right here. This application is very helpful, and you will need it in order to install other applications inside your iPod. Okay, how to browse your iPod's folders inside your computer. There are many ways. Again, I found out the easiest way for me, and I'm gonna show it. You need two things. One is an SSH client inside your computer, and the second one is an application inside your iPod called sbsetting. Now, you don't really need to get sbsetting, but it's a really helpful application. Will give you information and other features you're gonna need. So I suggest you download it. So how to download this application? You just click Cydia, you wait for it to load, and don't worry if it takes some time, because Cydia does takes a bit of a long time to load. Okay, once it load, you're gonna go to search, and then here, and you're gonna write down sbsetting. Okay, it's right here. You're gonna click it. Okay, here for me it says modify because I already have sbsetting inside my iPod. To you, I think it says download and then install. So you're just gonna do it, and you're gonna go outside Cydia. Now, sbsetting doesn't have an icon like Cydia or other things, so you're not be able to find it like that. The only way to bring this application up is to go at the top of your screen, of your iPod screen, and slide your finger from the right, from the left to the right of your screen, and then a big window will pop up with some bottoms features the sbsetting provides, and your Wi-Fi IP address around here, which is very important. You're gonna need it in order to connect your iPod with your computer. Now I'm not gonna show it right now because I don't want you to see my IP address. Okay, now about the SSH client inside your computer. There are many SSH clients in the internet, like Diskate. I personally didn't like it, so I'm not using it. I think you're gonna pay for it. And I found winSCP, which it's a very easy program. That's why I'm using it. Okay, you're gonna click it. Now, how to log in. Hostname is the Wi-Fi IP address of your iPod that I told you is gonna be shown around here. So you're gonna write it down here. And now, what about username and password? Username and password are always the same for any winSCP you're gonna download. So what I write, you're gonna use it as well. Username is always root, and password is alpine. Now if you have a problem about my accent and you didn't hear it, don't worry, in the info below the video you're gonna find all the informations. Now just let me write my IP address in the host name and login. Okay, if the login was okay, this window will pop up. In the left side of this window there are your computer's files, in the right side the Ipod's files. Now if you want to see all your Ipod's files, you're gonna go here and root, and wait a sec, here are all your Ipod's files. Let's go to applications, for example. Here you see all your applications inside your Ipod. Now you must be really careful when you're deleting or removing or moving folders from your Ipod, because if you messed up, there are gonna be some serious problems inside your Ipod, so be extremely careful when you do that. Now I already show you how to download and install an application inside your Ipod through Cydia. There are other ways, like this one over here, which if you download an application on your computer, you want to put it inside your Ipod, you can drag the folder and put it right here in the applications. Now the only problem is that some applications may require more folders to be created in other places of the Ipod, so I cannot make a tutorial that will work for every application out there. There is a video in YouTube from a guy, a really helpful video about an application, if you want to try it, called GPS phone application right here. It's actually a Game Boy Advance emulator for the Ipod. You can check it out. I'll link his video in the info, but I think the guy is using diskettes or something similar to that, so it won't really help much if you use, like me, winSCP. So if you want, through your comments, I'm probably gonna make a tutorial on how to put a GPS phone inside Ipod using winSCP. Okay, basically this was all the information I wanted to show you. If you have any question, just leave a comment and I'll answer as best as I can. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.